Let's take a quick look at the ThriveCart pricing plans. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see Get My Lifetime Account. When we click on that, we're going to see that this link is discounted from $1,995 down to $495. I'll have this link down below in the description box. It is an affiliate link, so I am working directly with ThriveCart to get you this deal. And then I also get a little bit of a kickback so I can help support my family and make more videos like this for you. So I have that linked for you down below in the description and the pinned comment. If you use my link to sign up for ThriveCart, I have a couple gifts for you. I have Your Product Launch Starter Toolkit. And this is a full guide to help walk you through coming up with your offer, your course, your coaching program, whatever it may be, and helping you get this set up. So I have this PDF for you. And then I also have a full course on how to launch your first course. You'll get full access to this as well. And it has everything from choosing a profitable topic to how to outline and plan your course, how to price your course, how to get beta testers, how to increase sales with guarantees. And then it also has full walkthroughs and tutorials by click of how to use ThriveCart and showing how to set everything up click by click, which is so awesome. So these will also be for you if you use my link to sign up for ThriveCart. You can get your lifetime account for $495. Now, that is a lifetime account, like it says, that there are no recurring fees. There's no monthly fees. I've previously been with Teachable and it was costing me $1,200 a year. So this right here is so worth it to do that. Now they do have a Pro Plus upgrade, which is $295 a year to add on if you want to do that. That's going to be $790 for the Pro Plus upgrade. With the Pro Plus upgrade, you're going to get multiple order bumps, which this is something brand new. They previously had only one order bump, but you can do multiple order bumps now, those little $27 add-ons, or if you want to add on coaching, different things like that, you can do that. Tax inclusive pricing, reoccurring subscription upgrades, UTM tracking, crypto payments with USDC, QR code checkout, which is so cool and something that's brand new as well, bulk invoice downloads, product sales and reports, funnel comparison, subscription metrics, coupon tracking, and new segment features. So there's some really cool ones that are brand new in the past couple months, which is awesome. So that is $295 for a year. I personally have the Pro Plus upgrade and I think it is so worth it. I love it. So we're going to proceed to checkout. And then you're going to enter in your information. So today it's going to be $790 and then future payments of $295. You can add a Learn Plus upgrade. Learn is where you will host your course. So you're going to create your product in ThriveCart and then there's going to be a Learn tab. That's where you host your course. And with this upgrade, you're going to unlock additional features, including advanced sequences, course bundles, team access to Learn. Students can import and custom domains for your students. You can do that. And that's going to be an additional $195. You can also add on a Thrive and Shine training for $69. And this is crafting perfect sales funnels, ultimate guide to email marketing, 155 battle tested email subject lines, and crafting fantastic Facebook ads. You can add this on for $69 as well if you want to do it. So that would equal out to $1,054. Now, they do have also a bundle that I'll have linked for you separate in the description. So you're going to see the regular ThriveCart link, and then you'll also see the bundle link for you as well. This is a really great deal where you're going to get the $495, the ThriveCart, then you get the Pro upgrade, which is the same, $295. And then $195 for the Learn upgrade. Then they also have this course. So ThriveCart Launch Course. So it's your one-stop shop for learning the ThriveCart product, packed with videos, guides, and extra resources, plus your opportunity to get ThriveCart certified, profit playbook, 30 new templates for 2025, and then 1,500 member community and expert coaches, all of that. So that's $985. So that is how you check out there. Now, like I said, if you use my link, I have a full toolkit for you and that I'll be emailing you. And I also have a course on how to launch your first course that you get full access to as well. So definitely check out the links down below in the description box. And if you want to see some tutorials on ThriveCart to see if it's going to be a good fit for you or not, check out this playlist here. And if you want to see a full walkthrough of ThriveCart, a overview, check out this video here.